I decided I did not want to wait for my buddy. He's not coming for another couple hours, so I am excited and want to put on the head gasket. So I have really thoroughly wiped all oil off using, brake cleaner and a microfiber. So I'm feeling really good. These are nice and dry and clean surfaces on both the block and the head. And we're getting out this nice, yeah, there's no oil on there. That is nice and just dry and clean aluminum. So we have this great, I got, shelled out for the good one, the Male. Male? Male. Wow. So it's MLS multi-layered steel. We have those little guys in there. Guides. Guys. Let's take one last quick look here. Cylinder head install. Check the blocks and head for scratches. We've definitely done that. Use a tap. Place the gasket in place over the engine block dowel pins. Make sure the number 1 piston is still at top dead center, then carefully lower the cylinder head onto the engine. Do I care that I'm at top dead center right now? I can check underneath. I think I'd rather rotate and just make sure that I'm not interfering with the valves at all, because that's at some unknown orientation, the camshaft. I mean, I could know it if I put the sprocket on or looked at the time, the position of the camshaft, but I think right now I would rather I can definitely check the crankshaft position by the, yeah. So I'm just gonna rotate it so it's like halfway, just so that we don't have any issues with interference of the, because some of my valves are depressed over here. Okay, let's go for it. Well, okay, we'll reread her. Place the gasket, then carefully lower the cylinder head onto the engine over the dowel pins in the gasket. Be careful not to move the gasket. Then it's putting in the bolts, which we got the fresh bolts. Let's do it. Okay. Fine. My voice inside my head is saying, let's open up the, oh yeah. These should be the head bolts. Look at that. They look great to me. We'll swap over the, we'll lube them up a little bit and we'll swap over the, I did my best to clean those threads when I was cleaning the block and everything. Really only had compressed air and stuff. So we'll put a little lube on the threads just to make sure we get the correct torque reading. I know, you should chase out the threads. I know. You should. Okay? I'm not. I'm dumb. Yeah. Okay. Are you nervous yet? Don't be. Here. Oh, I can support it under here because we don't have to worry about that. Oh my God. That fucking thing is in the way. That fucking thing is in the way, guys. Oh. Oh. Son of a... I knew it. I knew it, and I didn't do anything about it. That's gonna be problematic. We just have to... Let's just get it rotated like that. That should be better. That should be better. Okay. Okay. That should be better. Okay. That's not correct, but I just am spazzing. My back is spazzing. Do I have this thing rotated the right way? No, you guys. I have the head gasket on incorrectly. Okay. What's the right move here? Gotta take it off and flip it. Okay. I'm just gonna do it right. Just put this back. Oh! Really good oblique workout, guys. Really getting them good. Getting those obliques real good. We hurt the gasket a little bit. Fucking son of a bitch. It's okay. That was so silly of me. That was so silly, but you know what? That's what happens sometimes. Oil pressure. Oil gauge. Pressure gauge. Send it. Fucking send it. Going in. Okay. Yes. This is how we do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Still on. That thing's only slightly in the way. It's really not. Oh, we're on. Hoofda. Okay. We're on. We're on. We're on. Oh, now we're on. Sick. Freaking sweet. All right. All right. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Head's back on. Look at that. Just barely. Cool. It works. It works. It works. Now, putting the head bolt in there is going to be another thing. Maybe I should put the AC unit back. I could put that bracket back on and hook it back up. It's not really in the way too much. Or I can just pop it down there. Anyway, I can get a wrench in there. I can get the torque wrench in there, I think. All right. Torquing pattern, you guys could know the deal on this, but you start in the center and work your way out. You know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like that. We'll do that. We'll follow the procedure. We'll put a little lube on the threads and a little on the head of the bolt and on the washers. And that's how you do it. So I'm gonna do that. And I'll catch you after that, okay? Because then I think it's time to time. Put the timing components on. Exciting. All right. Catch you soon.